Hey, what's up? It's Clayton and Topper J, and we are back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up, guys? It's my baby. Mwah. He's so big, isn't he? He's a big boy. Look how big he is. He's a big boy. All right, I put him down. Polo and Molly are here. Play date. Pretty much every single weekend's been pretty much a play date, which I'm glad because it's helping like Topper out. Topper loves Polo and Molly. Molly, actually, her birthday. Come here, Molly. Come here. Her birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday, Molly. She's 4 years old now. Polo's 5 years old, and Topper, I don't know, Topper's like 3 months, 2 months, something like that. He's probably like 12 to 13 weeks, so however much that is. I don't know for sure. I need to look at his papers. I have his papers and stuff. I'm gonna play the piano too, because I've been playing it. I've been playing the piano lately. Damn, where am I gonna put you? Right here? Okay. All right. Okay. Ah, fuck. Fuck, I messed up. E. That was me trying. Yeah, I'm trying my best to play the piano again because I already paid. Like a hundred or something. I think $200 for a year on piano, Simply Piano. So I already paid for it. And I just haven't used it, and I can't I already paid for it. Like even if I like the prescription lasts a year, I already paid for it. So I want to try my best to like play the piano. Because I used to, and then I just haven't, so I'm trying my best to play again. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is my cart so far. Gonna make some beef and broccoli. Yeah, I did. I got a little dessert today. Feel like I should like reward myself. Dude, I've been obsessed with these. I'm not gonna lie. I used to be obsessed with Celsius, like the energy drink. Then I realized how bad it was. Like I searched it up on TikTok and stuff, and like a doctor on TikTok or whatever said how bad it is. So now I need to stop drinking it. So I've been drinking these, but these are literally just some sparkling water, and I like them, bro. I got like every single flavor in here. So yeah, I got that. Got the dogs some treats. We got a treat there. We got a treat here, and then yeah. Then I did buy a shampooer, so I got Tuesday off, so I probably won't shampoo tonight because I'm gonna make supper and probably relax for the rest of the day. But I will probably Tuesday shampoo my whole house. Well, actually, my room is the only. I'm paying $100 for a shampooer, and the only carpet I have in my house is my room. But Allison will probably use it for her house too. So I think $100 for two apartments is pretty good. So yeah. I think I got everything now. I always forget something, so I'm gonna go over my list one more time. Wow, I just saw Allison's mom and Allison's brother. I love this Walmart because you just see everyone at this Walmart. Because this is the one this is like my hometown Walmart. I like coming here because it's so funny because even Allison was like, why do you like just change? Because I haven't been here to pick up my prescription forever. Like literally, the girl was like, because I know I used to work at this Walmart, so I know everyone, and this is also a small town, so like I know everyone. I used to work here for like a year or so, a long time ago, like 5 years ago. But even the girl here was like, "Did you go on vacation or something?" Because I haven't came and picked up. I'm supposed to pick up my subscription like once a month here, but I haven't picked up in a couple months. And even Allison's like, just switch to the one in town where we live. And I said, but I like this Walmart. I like running into everyone. Like I just saw Allison's mom. I just saw Allison's brother right there because he works here. And I just run into everyone because I used to work here. I know everyone. I don't know. I love this Walmart. Back in the day, I used to hate this town and all that. But now since I don't live here and I only come here like once in a while, I miss everyone. So yeah. All right, guys. So this is so I'm back home now. These are the dog treats I just bought. I got chicken jerky. We got some of this, and then we got sweet potato duck. Molly, come here. Polo, come here. Sit. Treat. I love when Topper does his little hand thing. It's like, shake my hand. Shake it, shake my hand, shake it, shake it. Do something. Yeah, try it. Come here. Ready for a treat? Topper, get your ass over here. Okay, you ready? Treat. Treat. So right now they're gonna have this. Sit. Polo, sit. Come over here. Sit. Here you go. That's yours. Go. Topper, no. Molly's sitting. Perfect girl. Come here, Top. Come here, Topper. Come here. Sit. Shake. That's my boy. Good boy. I got all the ingredients out on the table. I was gonna like set up my phone and record me cooking, but I want the, I'm following a recipe, so I wanna make sure I'm doing it right because it's the first time I'm cooking it, so yeah. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. This is better than any place I've ever got Chinese from. Holy crap. Wow. I'm gonna make a little bit more sauce. Amazingest thing I've ever eaten in my entire life. Let me taste it. This is crazy good. Yeah, one more scoop, one more scoop. I feel like a big boy today. Holy crap. Let me try. Here it is, guys. I got a lot of sauce on this one. Oh my god. So there's a lot of sauce. Here it is, guys. So here's the rice. Here's the beef and broccoli. I made some extra sauce right there. And then that's it. Look at that shit. I mean, it's really saucy, but I like sauce. I'm not gonna lie, this is the best thing I've ever eaten in my entire. I love beef and broccoli. I don't know why. Out of my 23 years of living, and I love to cook, I've never in my life thought about making beef and broccoli. Why? The dogs are down there hanging out. And then I got my drinks. You guys need to go buy yourself some of these. Fucking love these. I've only tried this one, the lemon lime one. It literally tastes like Sprite, but it's sparkling water. I also got dessert. I got dessert. So yum. Oh, I also did buy me like a chocolate bar. I need to put it in the freezer. There you go. So now I'm gonna eat. So yeah. So here's my food. Got my favorite drink. Love this drink. I'm so scared to look it up because, like I said before, I was obsessed with the drink Celsius. I've been buying those like every single day, like a month ago or so. And then I finally researched it. And it literally said that's really bad for you. So I was like, come on. I really like them. And so now I found this drink, and this literally says sparkling water, so it should be healthy. Like, it literally says, like, natural caffeine, sparkling water, 0 sugar, you know, so it literally sounds like it's healthy. So I'm really praying it is. Soon I probably will start looking it up, or it'll pop up, like, on my, like, feed or something, because the government's listening to everything, so I'll find out soon. But I don't want to, because I want it to be healthy, because I literally just bought, like, 5 packs of them. But yeah, so I'm drinking that, and water. I love my water, you know, eating my food, and I'm watching Futurama. Like, I've been obsessed. I mean, I'm only on episode 4, but I really love watching shows where you can just watch it and your brain can just turn off, because I use my brain way too much. Like, I'm an overthinker. I overthink everything. My brain's always constantly running. So watching a show like this, where it's just like relaxing and you don't really have to think, I like it. I started watching it yesterday, 3 episodes, and I didn't even think. I was just relaxed watching it and been like, wow, time passed. So I'm really enjoying it. I used to watch this back in the day when I was younger. So yeah. We got the dogs. Toppy, you're barely making a dent. Oh, hey, Bubba. Good boy, yeah. Molly's in the room, and we got Polo right there. Polo already ate his. All right, so I tried this one today. I like it. It's cool. My favorite still is lemon lime, because it literally tastes like Sprite. But these are really cool. I don't even remember the last time I drank pop. Like, every time I go out to eat, I drink water. I don't even go out to eat anymore. Like, I'm really proud of myself. Definitely learning how to, like, right now, I feel like what I'm learning right now is how to, like, control myself, right? Like, control urges, you know? Like, the urge of going out to eat, or the urge of drinking pop, the urge of, you know, I mean, like you guys saw, I did eat some, like, I have some dessert sometimes here and there, because that urge is a little harder to get over. But pop, like, I don't drink any liquids unless it's water, or I've been drinking these. This or water. That's the only liquids I be drinking. And yeah, so I'm really proud of myself. Let's see how I look right now. I did just eat, but God, I look good. Wow, I look really good. Really proud of how I've been looking. I'm trying my best to do some, like, ab workouts at home. I did it the other day. Ugh. First of all, Topper keeps attacking me while I'm doing my ab workouts. Second of all, I just hate, like, my biggest thing on my body, what I want to look at, well, I mean, I would like, you know, to get some good biceps, but I really, like, my abs are probably my thing I want to change the most, because you can still see, obviously, I have, like, a little bit of fat, but I would like to have abs. But abs, to me, abs is the hardest. Alright, guys, it is, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock and I'm eating. But this is lunch. But it'll probably be supper. Deadass, I don't even eat supper anymore. Usually I eat breakfast, and then I eat lunch, and then supper, I just don't eat supper, which is fine. I think that, or sometimes I might have like a little, hey, yo, my boy. Alright, but damn, I feel like all I do is eat. My bad. All I record is me eating, because like, and back in the day I used to do that all the time too. Like, I'm finally getting like a passion to making food again, which is fun. What, buddy? I love you, crazy boy. But this, first of all, I'm trying the new one. So this one is pomegranate. I had the other one. I forgot what the other one was. So let me try it. I like it. It's good. I mean, lemon lime, still my favorite, but that was my second favorite. And then I forgot what the other one was. Like, I forgot what the other one I just had was. I don't know if I'm supposed to have more than one a day, but I am, so my bad. But what I'm having is like a wrap. I'm having like, it has lettuce, tomato, it has chicken, and then it has cheese. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap it up. Damn, didn't really think about that part. But, ooh, look, oh yeah. No. It also has guacamole on it. Really good, really good. Toppy had some chicken. Now he's getting crazy. Now he's like, give me another piece. I'll give you one little piece. I'll give you one little piece, my boy. Topper, sit. Come here.